हेलो गाइस। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? मस्त, एकदम मस्त। आई एम योर गाइड, केमिस्ट्री लेक्चर सीके सर। इन दिस क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द ब्रीफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर। ये मैटर होता क्या है एंड व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मैटर इन द केमिस्ट्री एंड व्हाई वी शुड study this matter. This everything we are going to be studying in this video. From last video, that is from last class, we have studied that the matter is made up of atoms and molecules. Today at the initial stage I will tell you that what is the atom and what are the molecules. Later we are moving towards the matter and its classification. We are discussing in this video. Okay, now see, matter nothing but बेटा जो भी मैटर रहता है that is made up of atoms and molecules. Those are called the atoms and molecules. अभी डाउट आता है सर एटम बोले तो क्या होता है? बेटा एटम इज अ वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एलिमेंट. पूरे एलिमेंट का बहुत छोटा सा एक पार्ट रहता है. जब एटम कंबाइन होते हैं तो मॉलिक्यूल बन जाता है. मैटर नथिंग बट पूरे दुनिया में ऑल दिस यूनिवर्स इज मेड अप ऑफ मैटर एंड that matter today we are going to be classifying. I will show you. बेटा कौन सा भी मैटर ले लो, यू कैन टेक एनी वन. ओके, यू कैन टेक द सॉलिड रॉक्स, पत्थर बोलते हैं हम लोग. दैट इज अ सॉलिड, दैट इज व्हाट ऑफ मैटर. पानी, ओके, वाटर इज गोइंग टू बी फ्लोइंग, व्हाट इज दैट? मैटर. वॉच क्या है? मैटर. व्हाट इज द पेन? दिस आल्सो मैटर. दिस एवरीथिंग इज मेड अप ऑफ वाटर, मैटर. देन इफ आई विल बी गोइंग इनसाइड द मैटर, दैट मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ atoms and molecules. This atom is the smallest particle of element. बहुत छोटा रहता है. समझो बेटा एक मॉलिक्यूल. I am considering this as a molecule. Inside whatever the corners will be there, जो भी आपको ये दिख रहा है, whatever you are going to be seeing, this center पे एक corner है. These all are the atoms. Whenever atoms are combined, जब atoms combine होते हैं तो automatically molecule बन जाता है. Okay, this is forming the molecule. Again, molecule combine, some specific substance is formed, and there should be big classification into that. We are going to be seeing in the matter. Okay, let's concentrate one by one. For example, बेटा आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? Only O is the, for example, atom का example क्या है? O, only oxygen. This is the atom. If I am making this as a O2, then this is a molecule. What is the molecule? Means when more than two atoms are combined. When more than two atoms are combined, a formation of molecule takes place. जब दो से भी ज़्यादा atoms मिलते हैं तभी molecule बना देता है. Okay. Now today I am going to be teaching you the brief classification of matter. ये matter होता क्या है and how systematically we are going to be classify this one. This is also very important the question in the theoretical examinations. Okay, brief classification of matter in a first year. Now I am classifying this matter. Take as first head, that is the matter. Matter. First matter we can classify. We are having the majorly two classification. First one is physical classification. Physical classification. Second one is chemical classification. Very good. Chemical classification. Again, the physical classification we can this is classified as, the first one is, that is solid. The next one is, this is a liquid. The last one is gases. And here the chemical classification we are going to be classifying briefly as, the first one is pure substance. Pure substance. Here mixtures. Again, this pure substance is classified into elements and this one is a compound. But अभी भी है classification. While explaining, I will tell you again the elements also we are going to be doing classifying and compounds also we are going to be classifying. In the mixtures we are having majorly two classification, that is homogeneous mixtures. And next one is heterogeneous heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, this is about a brief classification. The matter is going to be classified into physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification, solid, liquid, gases, and chemical classification, pure substance and mixtures. Again, mixture classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Again, pure substance classified into elements and compounds. Sir, ये पूरा classification क्यों है? Why we have to study this all classification? देखो बेटा, when universe is created, बेटा जब पूरा दुनिया बना था, there should be a many plenty of the materials will be there. बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मटेरियल थे, लोगों को यूज करने के लिए कंफ्यूजन चालू हुआ. They started confusing which element we have to use. Okay, but number of after the some days, what happens as the civilizations are developed, as you studied in history, the people are started sophisticated life. Sophisticated life बोले तो luxury life, थोड़ा अच्छा जीने का उनको start कर दे their life. Now that time what happens? They started using the different materials. That material classification when comes, the matter classification will come. इसलिए बेटा matter को अच्छा पढ़ने के लिए, in order to make the compounds or in order to make the all components, elements, compounds and everything will be in a systematic manner. उनको हम पूरा specific करके पढ़ने के लिए और research के लिए इसको develop करने के लिए we are going to be doing the classification. पूरे एक लाइन में बोलना बोले तो लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा कंपोनेंट्स हुए थे, बहुत ज्यादा मटेरियल्स हुए थे बेटा, जब उन लोग सिस्टमेटिक स्टडी करने के लिए इसको पूरा क्लासिफाई करें. ओके, दोस्त स्टार्टेड द व्हाट अ क्लासिफिकेशन. फर्स्ट मैटर, ऑलरेडी यू नो व्हाट इज द मैटर. मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. सिंपल डेफिनेशन क्या है? व्हिच इज हैविंग द मास. बेटा इसके पास क्या है? मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई द सम स्पेस. आई विल टेल यू. Consider this as a test. This is matter now because this is made up of atoms and molecules and this is having some mass and this occupying some space. बेटा इसका थोड़ा मास है and these are going to be occupying some space. थोड़ा जगह इसने लिया है, इसको हम मैटर बोल सकते हैं. आप बोलते हैं बेटा आपके हाथ में मोबाइल है, अभी वीडियो देख रहे, क्लास देख रहे, what is that? That's also solid ना मोबाइल. That is made up of what? Atoms and molecules. अगर आप मोबाइल को नीचे रखो थोड़ा जगह पकड़ता है, it will occupy some space. That is also matter. आपका मोबाइल भी मैटर, आपका चार्जर भी मैटर, आपका वॉच मैटर है बेटा. This whole universe is made up of matter. Okay, let's continue with this. After this matter we are going to move towards the physical classification. सिर्फ physical में क्यों आया है? Why it is came with the physical classification? बेटा देखो physical बोले तो by seeing the physical naked eyes. Okay, physical characteristics. By seeing physical how we can decide. So for example, this is water, solid. I can say this is solid. If inside this bottle we are having the sanitizers. Okay, this is water, liquid. And one more thing, people are going to be using what? अगरबत्ती लगाते हैं आप लोग, अगरबत्ती लगाए तो क्या होता है? गैस आता है ना, that is gas. That is a gas. And this is a physical classification, nothing but a matter को बेटा matter on the basis of the physical content. Physical in the sense देखने से, okay, in a general देखने से the matter can be classified into solid, liquid and gases. Okay, solid, liquid and gases is a classification based on the physical classification. Sir, अभी थोड़ा ये solid के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, liquid के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और gas के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What is the meaning of solid? Generally think करो. ज़्यादातर मटेरियल जो भी आपको जिंदगी में मिलता है बेटा वो solid रहता है. Also, liquid gases also are getting. Where you are seated now, you in your hand you are having mobile, that is a solid. आपके हाथ में मोबाइल है, क्या है? Solid है. What is the meaning of solid? देखो, I will tell you. Solid is a rigid one. Okay, solid nothing but this is a hard substance. Hard substance. बेटा hard बोले तो क्या है? Solid nothing but this is the atoms. Whatever the atoms and molecules will be there, that is a tightly bonded. उनके अंदर क्या है बेटा? अगर मैं इधर छोड़े तो वो इधर ही रहेगा. If I am going to be pouring the water, अगर मैं वाटर को पोर करूं तो क्या होता है? वाटर विल go down because the atoms or molecules are closely, not closely. Here solid में क्या आता है? Atoms and molecule tightly bonded. Here liquid में loosely bonded and here gas में very loosely bonded. First of all, I will tell you, solid is a substance or this is a hard one. Where solid is we can going to be having what a definite mass and definite volume. Solids are having definite volume and definite shape. बेटा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सर वॉल्यूम? वॉल्यूम बोले तो अगर आप उसको लिखे रखे तो क्या होता है, इट विल ऑक्युपाई दिस स्पेस, ओके, जितना उसका स्पेस रहता है उतना ऑक्युपाई करने को, दैट इज वॉल्यूम। एंड शेप, दिस इज हैविंग वन शेप ना, okay, and the whatever the books will be there, that's also having one shape. These are having shape in the sense उसका एक आकार रहता है, okay. Now come towards the liquid. Liquid means what? The whatever the atoms and molecules are there, those are going to be loosely bonded. If I am going to be pouring, बेटा मैं इसको pour करें तो क्या होता है, it will slightly, it going to be turn, in the sense slightly it's going to be turn one over the another. बोले तो क्या होता है, ये loosely bond रहेगा, loosely bonded. What are loosely bonded? Atoms are loosely bonded. What about the definite volume and definite shape? क्या रहता है इसमें? It is having the definite volume. These are having definite volume, but not definite shape, because आप किसमें डालते हैं उसका एक आकार ले लेता है. It is based on the container. It will take the shape. Round रहे तो round, square रहे तो square, triangle रहे तो triangle, whatever it may be. It is a doesn't have. It's not have definite shape. Definite shape. Okay. This is about the liquid. And what about the gas? Sir, gas बोले तो क्या रहता है? बेटा gas in the sense this is neither has definite shape nor definite volume. इसके पास definite shape भी नहीं रहता है, not a definite volume. Okay, neither definite shape nor definite volume. Neither this is having definite shape or definite volume. For example, if I am going to be considering the example, बेटा अभी example लेंगे. Solid में क्या है? Rock. पत्थर बोलते हैं ना, रॉक, सोडियम क्लोराइड, ओके, व्हाटएवर एक्सेट्रा, यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग आल्सो. टेबल ले लो, फैन ले लो, मार्कर ले लो, एवरीथिंग कम्स अंडर द सॉलिड. व्हाट अबाउट द लिक्विड? लिक्विड इन द सेंस वाटर, H2O in liquid, milk, okay, milk also example for liquid. And what about the gases? Gases in the sense you can take carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, carbon, whatever it is. These are example for the gases. We are studying what are physical classification, solid, liquid and gases. Solid बोले तो क्या बेटा, rigid रहता है, hard रहता है, and this is having what a definite shape and definite volume. Example क्या है? rock, table, fan, sodium chloride, this is salt, common salt, rock salt, whatever it be, these all comes under the solid. Liquid nothing but these are loosely bonded. Okay, अगर आप पानी को pour करें तो क्या होता है, it will move from one position to some other position because atoms are loosely bonded. They can turn one over the another. इसलिए क्या होता है बेटा, loosely bond रहने से उसका flow होता है. This is not having definite shape. It will take the container shape. Okay, कौन सा भी container रहता है उसका shape ले लेता है. And definite volume. Of course, this is having the definite volume. Some volume will be there. Now, example, water, liquid and milk is example for the liquid. Next one, gas. Sir, gas बोले तो क्या बेटा? It is neither definite shape, definite volume. These gas molecules are moving in a random, किधर भी जाता है. This chapter you are going to be studying in a PUC first year, that is the states of matter. Okay, by external pressure only we can change the direction of gas molecules. उसका जो भी direction रहता है बेटा, by applying external pressure for a few minutes or few time we can change the direction. We are going to be studying in that chapter, but here introduction, gas क्या है? Gas is one type of a matter है, ये भी sir, whether it's neither is having the definite mass and definite volume. Leave about the mass. Now we are talking about the definite shape and of course this having some mass. This is a neither have definite shape and definite volume. Both is having not a definitely. Example क्या है? For example, take as a carbon dioxide. Okay, I will give example: carbon dioxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. These all are examples that comes under the gases. This is about what a physical classification. Okay. Now see, in this one, we are seeing about the interconversion. Okay, whether we can convert the solid into liquid, liquid into the gas. Definitely. Then how and what example by taking we can convert the solid into liquid, liquid into gas. See, interchangeable. We can say this is called a concept called the interchangeable. Okay, interchange phase. Okay, solid is going to be converted into the liquid. Okay, this liquid is converted into the gases. By how? For example, take example as a water. Okay, take example as a water. In a water, how what I am going to be doing means just I am going to be heating the ice. Okay, ice I am going to be heating. What happens? This became water now, liquid. If again this water is going to be heated, what happens? अगर पानी को भी हीट करें तो क्या होता है बेटा? ऑटोमेटिकली वाटर वेपर बन के गैस बन जाता है. ओके, दिस अगेन इफ आई एम गोइंग टू बी गैस को मैं कूल करता हूं. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू बी डूइंग कूल टू गैस, व्हाट हैपेंस? लिक्विड इज फॉर्म. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू बी दिस लिक्विड को अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू बी कूलिंग. व्हाट हैपेंस? लिक्विड कूल करे तो ऑटोमेटिकली सॉलिड हो जाता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. फर्स्ट एक आइस रहता है बेटा, आइस दैट इज सॉलिड, उसको हीट लगाए तो ऑटोमेटिकली दैट्स कन्वर्टेड टू लिक्विड, पानी में कन्वर्ट होता है. फिर पानी को हीट करें तो गैस में कन्वर्ट होता है. साइमल्टेनियसली इफ आई एम गोइंग टू बी गैस को कूल करें तो क्या होता है? इन द सेंस वाटर वेपर को कूल करें तो क्या होता है? लिक्विड. अगेन लिक्विड कूल टू सॉलिड, दैट इज अ आइस. दिस इज द इंटरकन्वर्शन ऑफ दिस फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन बाय टेकिंग द एग्जांपल एज अ water. Okay, now I am moving towards this is a next classification, that is a chemical classification. Sir, why this chemical classification? Based on the chemical analysis or based on the composition of the inside the chemical, we are going to be classified this one. इसका मीनिंग क्या है बोले तो अंदर का जो भी इसका composition रहता है, whatever the things are present, constituent particles inside, based on that chemical classification we are going to be doing. The first one is a pure substance. Sir, what is the meaning of pure substance? Its name only indicate pure. Pure nothing but this whatever the atoms or molecules, whatever the inside particles are there, that is made up of only one type of particles. But for example, कौन सा भी ले लो. For example, I will take the example as a gold. और बोला जाता है इसको गोल्ड. बेटा गोल्ड का एक छोटा सा बिस्किट ले लो, उसमें किधर भी देखो आप, ओके, यू कैन सी एनीवेयर आल्सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेटिंग व्हाट? गोल्ड एटम्स ओनली. एटम्स ऑफ गोल्ड ओनली you are going to be getting, because pure substance nothing but it's only made up of only one type of particles. जो भी जितना भी inside particle रहता है that is made up of only one type. सिल्वर ले लो, गोल्ड ले लो, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, whatever it may be, that is made up of only one type of constituent particles. Again, this pure substance I am going to be classifying for special understanding as for a special study. We are classifying this pure substance into elements and compounds. Sir, what is the meaning of this element and what is the meaning of this compound? This is very important. Pure substance को बेटा हम, okay, I am classifying this pure substance into elements and the compounds. Elements बोले तो क्या रहता है? This is the simplest form of pure substance. Okay, जो भी pure substance रहता है बेटा उसका सिंपल form रहता है. This is simplest form of the pure substance where elements can neither be built nor be decomposed. This is a condition for element. इसको हम बना भी नहीं सकते, इसको destroy भी नहीं कर सकते, because this is simplest form of pure substance, neither decomposed nor we can build. For example, कौन सा element रहता है सर? For example बेटा silver, gold, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, whatever it may be. Okay, that is made up of only one type of constituent particle. These are all called what? Element. आपके दिमाग में ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट में confusion रहता है. The difference between the element and the metal. सर दोनों के बीच में difference क्या रहता है? बेटा within the elements we are going to getting what? Metal, non-metals and metalloids. Within the element we are classifying this one into metals, non-metals, and last one is metalloids. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. थोड़ा इसके बारे में जानेंगे. First of all, you come to know the element. Element क्या है बेटा? This is simplest form of a pure substance. Pure substance बोले तो क्या है? This is a only one type of particle. पूरे के पूरे जो भी गोल्ड का एक बिस्किट ले लो, जिधर भी देखो आप लोग, you are having only one type of atom. Same atom रहता है जिधर भी. गोल्ड में ले लो, सिल्वर में ले लो, बेटा हाइड्रोजन में ले लो, whatever it may be. Now उसको क्लासिफाई कैसे करें? एलिमेंट बोल के करें. एलिमेंट क्या है? This is a simplest form of, this is pure substance. Okay, this is simplest form of pure substance where we cannot build or we cannot decompose with this one. Already element है, I will tell you that within 118 elements already 92 elements are exist naturally. बेटा हमारे को ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्या है अभी भी 92% we are only we are present on the earth crust. 92 elements are there. Okay, within that element को अच्छा पढ़ने के लिए we are classifying metals, non-metals and metalloids. Sir, what is the meaning of the metals? Generally in 8th 9th standard you have studied that these are having a bright luster, इसका थोड़ा shiny रहता है, and metals are having what? Good conductor of heat and electricity. Also these are having the what? Hardness. Metals are having. What about the non-metals? Metals also take examples. बेटा metal का example कौन रहता है? This is the gold, Au, silver, Ag, copper. These all are etc. These are all example for the metal. Maximum we are getting solids. Metals are solid, but which one is a liquid metal? That is a mercury. Very important point. बेटा जो कौन सा है वो मेटल है लेकिन वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में वो है मर्क्यूरी. नेक्स्ट वन सी नॉन मेटल्स. नॉन मेटल्स नथिंग बट क्वाइट रिवर्स ऑफ मेटल. इसमें लस्टर, दिस इज नॉन लस्टर, उतना ब्राइटनेस नहीं रहता है. दिस इज अ नॉट कंडक्टिंग और दिस इज अ लेस कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड कंडक्टिविटी फॉर नॉन मेटल्स. एग्जांपल्स कौन सा होता है बेटा? कार्बन ले लो, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. These are concentrated non-metals. So what are the metalloids? Metalloids nothing but these are having the properties of the metal and non-metal. दोनों मिला के metal और non-metal दोनों मिला के जो भी बनता है इसको metalloids बोला जाता है. इसका एग्जांपल क्या रहता बोले तो we can take an example as a silicon and antimony, etc. These are all example for this metalloids. What we have studied, beta, we are chemical classification we are done. Within that we are started with the pure substance. Pure बोले तो सर बहुत pure है. This is made up only one type of atoms. उस one type of atoms में हम again element classify कर रहे. Element बोले तो क्या है? This is simplest form of pure substance. बहुत simple है element. और इसमें this is only made up of one type of atoms. Again this is classified into metal, non-metals and metalloids. सर metal बोले तो क्या है? बेटा metal बोले तो luster है, highly luster, bright luster है. बोले तो shining होता है इसका. और next क्या रहता है इसका? Conductivity ज़्यादा रहता है in terms of thermal and in terms of conductors. Okay. Now these are also having what a hardness. But non-metal में अंदर क्या रहता है? Brittleness रहता है. One more important point about the metal is these are having malleability and ductility. What is the meaning of the malleable? Nothing but कौन सा भी ले लो, iron ले लो, कौन सा भी ले लो, you can take as a gold also. We can form thin sheets. That is the malleable. Malleable in the sense we can drawn into the water. We can make that one into the thin sheets. But what is the ductility? Ductility in the sense we can stretch into the wires. हम metal को बेटा अगर हम metal को शीट में हम कन्वर्ट करें बोले तो उसको malleable प्रॉपर्टी बोला जाता है. If that is we can stretch like a wires, then that property we can see as a ductility. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत स्टूडेंट को कंफ्यूजन होता है malleable and ductility. Malleable nothing but formation of sheets. Ductility in the sense threads. Okay, जो भी thread बोल के रहता है we can convert. That is the main properties of the metals. Okay, now I am going towards the compounds. So this is very important. बेटा compounds बोले तो क्या रहता है? Compounds nothing but when you are going to be adding two or more elements in a fixed ratio. When we are going to be adding the elements, two or more elements in a fixed ratio, we are going to be getting what are compounds. For example, we are having the different compounds we are having. Among that, I will give you some examples of compounds. Water is also one of the good compound because it is proportion. Whatever the proportion will be there, water and hydrogen by oxygen will be 1:8 by mass. This is a fixed ratio. That's why this is a systematic compound. This is also example. And one more compound nothing but I told you that one more type compound. This is definition when a two or more elements are combined in a proper portion. In a proper portion or in a fixed portion, if are going to be mixing the two or more elements, then formation of compounds are going to be takes place. Examples is a water. This is about water, pure substance, elements and compounds. Okay. Now this compounds we can also classify into. This is, for example, we are seeing the example as water H2O. This is example. What is the composition? 1:8 by mass. Okay, that is fixed one. One more thing here. These compounds we can also classify into organic and inorganic compounds. Organic and inorganic compound. सर एक ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक होता क्या है? द कंपाउंड व्हिच आर taken from the organic in the sense the whatever the compound will be there, if we are going to be taking that one from living things like animals, plants, that we are called as organic compound. उसको हम organic compound बोले जाते हैं. Organic compound, this is a very important. What are the examples? Fats, proteins, oils, carbohydrate, these all are comes under the organic compound. These are all comes under the organic compound. Organic compound nothing but sir, compound already we have stated that this is after combination of two or more element in a fixed portion we are going to get in the compound. इधर ही है एलिमेंट, दो तीन एलिमेंट को कंबाइन करें कंपाउंड हो बेटा. कंपाउंड में फिर पढ़ रहे हैं हम ऑर्गेनिक बोले तो जो भी जिंदा रहता है उससे हम जो भी एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं उससे हम जो भी लेते हैं दोज आर ऑर्गेनिक. फर्स्ट वन इज अ फैट, अनदर वन इज अ प्रोटीन, ऑयल, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, etc. Okay. Now inorganic means what? The inorganic compound nothing but non-living. Okay, we have extracted that things from the non-living. We can say that as a inorganic compound. So example क्या रहता है बेटा? Common salt. Common salt is one very best example. Marble is there, and etc. Okay, so many examples we are having for a common salt and for the inorganic compound. This is about the compounds in the organic and inorganic compound. Now I am moving towards the mixtures. Sir, mixture क्या है? Mixture, जब इसका वर्ड बोले मिक्सचर बोले तो आपको थोड़ा दिमाग में आता है मिक्सचर नथिंग बट समथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी मिक्सड. ओके, मिक्स बोले तो क्या है? मिक्स करो बोले तो this is automatically this is having in a there is a no definite portion will be there. For example, I will tell you mixture nothing but when two or more elements or when two or more pure substances are combined in a indefinite portion, in a any portion I can say, कौन सा भी portion, not fixed portion. अगर आप two or more elements को automatically combine करें बेटा in any portion, हम इधर क्या करते थे एलिमेंट में, इन कंपाउंड में क्या करते थे, इन अ फिक्स्ड पोर्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेकन वाटर एज अ 1:8 में हम क्या किए थे, वाटर को कंपाउंड करे थे. लेकिन इधर क्या होता है, टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन करते हैं लेकिन whatever the proportion will be there, that is the not definite, you can take in the any manner also, that is called as a mixtures. Mixtures nothing but these are having the when a two or more elements are combined in a any portion or in a any composition, that is called as a mixtures. Now mixture में आता है बेटा homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Sir, what is the meaning of homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture nothing but homo, hetero. homo बोले तो क्या बेटा, थोड़ा सेम है ना. the whatever the composition will be there, okay, throughout the constant composition, okay, जो भी mixture में रहता है that throughout the solution the whatever the composition will be there, that is the same. In a simple, throughout composition is same, composition is same, that is called homogeneous. If the composition throughout composition not same, composition throughout same नहीं रहता है, इसमें heterogeneous में. सर homogeneous का एक example बोलिए बेटा. whenever we are adding the sugar in the water and we are going to be mixing, that is a homogeneous solution. Okay, by using the some standard microscopes also we can't find the whatever the layers in a homogeneous mixture, but heterogeneous mixture we can find the layer. For example, I will tell you example. when I am mixing, मैं mix करता हूँ, क्या क्या mix करता हूँ, देखो सल्फर को mix करता हूँ, सल्फर प्लस I am mixing the sulfur plus दूसरा बेटा iron fillings. Next one more is a common salt. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा देखो हेट्रोजीनियस बोले तो हेटेरो बोले तो क्या है बेटा, इट्स वर्ड्स ऑफ इंडिकेटिंग थोड़ा चेंज रहता है. हेटेरो बोले तो थोड़ा बदलाव है. क्या बदलाव है, आई एम एडेड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने क्या ऐड करे, कॉमन सॉल्ट, सल्फर और आयरन फिलिंग. अरे तीनों को ऑटोमेटिकली हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सी द डेफिनेट बाउंड्रीज इन द हेट्रोजीनियस. दिस हेट्रोजीनियस में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन सी द डेफिनेट बाउंड्रीज. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर एंड homogeneous mixture. This is all about the matter and this is all classification about the matter. This is a very important we are going to be seeing in this chapter. That is one more time I am explaining matter. बेटा मैटर को 2 टाइप में क्लासिफाई करते हैं, फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन एंड केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन। एंड द फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन नेकेड आई, हमारे को क्या दिखता है सराउंडिंग में, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैसेस। अगेन केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन में प्योर सब्सटेंस एंड मिक्सचर्स, प्योर सब्सटेंस अगेन क्लासिफाइड इनटू एलिमेंट एंड compound, and here mixture को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Again this compounds also we can convert into organic and inorganic. We can classify elements nothing but metal, non-metals and metalloids. This is about the whole about the classification of matter. This question will be asked maybe you for an examination 3 to 4 marks. This is very important question. Note down fast. Now we are moving towards, okay, this is also very important. There are so many times in the examination this is going to be asking the difference between the compounds and mixtures. For while defining somewhat little bit these are same, but actually these are completely different. What is the compound and what are the mixtures? What is the compound and what is the mixture? We are going to be classifying with the differences. First one, see, when 2 or more elements are combined chemically. Chemically in the sense these are proper in a proper portion, these are going to be combined. Then these are called as a compound. बेटा जो भी दो से भी ज्यादा एलिमेंट है दैट आर गोइंग टू बी केमिकली कंबाइंड, बोले तो कंप्लीटली दैट इज कंबाइंड एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, इट्स अ कंपाउंड. मिक्सचर नथिंग बट when 2 or more combines, just this is not chemically, just we can separate very easily like these things are going to be combined. ऊपर से कंबाइन होता है, लेकिन ये क्या होता है, कंपाउंड कंप्लीटली कंबाइन होता है. नेक्स्ट वन, कंपोजिशन इज फिक्स्ड ऑलवेज. व्हाटएवर द कंपोजिशन रहता है बेटा, कंपोजिशन इन द सेंस व्हाटएवर द आई टोल्ड यू इन अ रिएक्शन दैट इज इन द H2O there should be 1:8 mass ratio will be there, that is exact will be there, but this things is variable, इधर variable होता है in a where in a mixtures. That another point, this is having the definite formula like H2 or C6H12O6 glucose have, we are having, these are having the definite formula, but the mixtures are having, do not have, these are having no definite formula will be there. And next one, this is always homogeneous. I told you the composition will be there throughout, these are same. Composition nothing but the whatever the composition will be there, that is a throughout same, but here क्या होता है, composition में change, sometimes it may come homogeneous or heterogeneous. In the sense heterogeneous in the sense composition जो भी रहता है ये change होने का chances रहता है. सर composition क्या composition है, nothing but the whatever the constituent particles are involved in the inside the compound, और जो भी compound के अंदर रहता है बेटा whatever the constituent particles, उसको हम क्या बोला जाता है, composition. The percentage of the involvement of the particle inside the compound is called composition. Always homogeneous throughout the same, this is the homogeneous or heterogeneous. Composition same भी रह सकता है और different भी रह सकता है. Next, the compound cannot be separated into its constituent particle. हम उसको break करके constituent particle नहीं बना सकते by ordinary physical method. By physical method से हम